So Auto GPT is the new hotness, and I got to be honest, I think it's a piece of crap. I'm very, very disappointed. Now, one of the reasons that I was interested and excited about it is because Auto GPT is actually scouring the web in real time, whereas Chat GPT, which frankly I've been very impressed with, is scouring the web back in 2021. So it's not giving you the most up-to-date information. The problem is, to me, and please, if you know something that I don't, write it in the comments, because I'm out here trying and testing this stuff so you don't have to. If you're using Auto GPT with success, let me know, because honestly, I think it's a piece of junk right now. I don't think it's worth the computer code that it's written on. But basically, it's like Google. So basically what I said is, hey, I want to write a blog that are listing the pros and cons between Bing's new AI tool and Google's AI new tool. They're like going head to head, Bing and Google, to be the #1 adopter of AI. And what did it do? Well, first off, one of the things that kind of pissed me off about this is that it didn't actually remember. One of the cool things with ChatGPT is you can type in a prompt, it'll give you a response. You can type in another prompt, it'll go deeper and deeper and deeper. Which with Auto GPT, it just started a new chat. Every single time I type in a question, I'm like, thanks for that, I need more. And it's like, I don't know how to give you any more, which is like mind-numbing. That said, if you were an expert in prompt engineering, maybe you get something better out of it. But honestly, I'm very disappointed. To me, it's just like a slight upgrade to Google search, but that's maybe even a stretch. I'm maybe being gracious there. So basically what I asked it here was, give me an outline for 1,500 word blog listing pros and cons of Bing, blah, 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 blah. Basically saying, hey, give me the outline for the blog, because it was very clear it was not going to write out a blog with anything that even equates to anything remotely substantial. I said, well, maybe if it gives me the outline, it can list the pros and cons. It's still giving me references to up-to-date information. Well, maybe I can use that in Chat GPT to get a much better writing experience based on the data, based on the references that I'd gotten. But basically what it did is just gave me an outline. It didn't give me any of the pros and cons. It just says, here are the pros and cons. Go do your own research, which to me, it doesn't solve my freaking problem, guys. So I wasted like 200, 300 credits, which is basically the equivalent of dollars, or tickets at Chuck E. Cheese. And it just gave me a load of crap. Anyway, I wanted to give you a quick report because I've been playing with it today. And quite frankly, I want my money back. I wish I could take it back like that crappy pineapple I bought at Publix and get a refund, but I don't know. We'll see. There are some really sick tools, though, that I'm using. I'll be bringing those to you very soon with some practical applications. Make sure you smash subscribe, hit the like button, and I will give you more of this in your feed. In the meantime, if you know something I don't know, if you're using Auto GPT and getting some results, type in the comments below because I'd like to know about it. All right, peace.